Your videos aren't getting views, it's not the algorithm, it's your first 3 seconds. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we'll talk about mastering the first 3 seconds, the hook. Today I'll show you how to hook viewers instantly and stop them from scrolling on Instagram. Most creators spend hours editing but ignore the most important part, the beginning. The first 3 seconds is the most crucial part of your video. People decide in seconds whether to watch or just scroll it. If you don't grab attention immediately, your content won't perform, no matter how good it is. The hook is the first line or the visual that makes someone stop and pay attention. It creates curiosity. It creates curiosity. It creates curiosity. It creates curiosity, emotion, and urgency. Here are 4 hooks that you can start using today. Number 1, bold statement. You are posting content the wrong way. Challenge the viewers. Number 1, bold statement. You are posting the wrong way. It challenges the viewers instantly. And another is question hook. Why are your videos getting no views? This makes them think and stay for the answer. And other is curiosity hook. And the third one is curiosity hook. For example, let's say this one trick changed my reach overnight. It creates a knowledge gap. And other thing I would say is relatable hook. For example, let's say, ever spent hours editing and still got 10 views? It connects. Another is relatable hook, just like this. People relate with this videos. There are so many people who hate iOS, and this is how you can create a video with a relatable hook. This is not even, or you can say, or let's just say, ever spent hours editing and still got 0. Well, we can also say, ever spent hours editing and still got 10 views. This instantly connects creators with you. And this is how you should use your first 3 seconds to hook your audience and make your video go viral. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.